Hello from the Quail's kingdom. It really happened. We do have a girl that decided to sit on eggs, and fingers crossed everything goes well. She's sitting here already for 1 week, could be over 1 week roughly. I have built a temporary cage for her so the others don't add the additional eggs into her nest, and so she's got her own piece. I just gave her some food, grain and fresh water, so she came out of the nest, and otherwise she's sitting all the time. So really, fingers crossed. I will keep you updated, and later on I will see how I go. I probably have to move them to our temporary cage over there, so they got more room to move. But for now, yeah, hopefully everything goes well. It is not really possible to show you the nest because she placed it really very smart under this cover. But I will update as soon as there are any news. And while we are here, I will also show you the new growth on the Grumichama. You can clearly see the spring in here. Also the guavas showing new growth. This is the Malaysian guava. Really looking forward to try. That will be the first time. And also the tree spinach looking really good. And the newly planted dwarf mulberry already having fruit. So this will be also a nice addition, or is nice addition to the food forest of the quails. The Thai white guava, full of new growth too. I also planted the Ceylon Hill gooseberry, which I had in a pot for a while, and it's showing lots of new growth too, and also some flower buds. When we are lucky, we will have some fruit here already. And the strawberry guava, full of new growth and flower buds. Really lovely. You gotta love spring. The Brazilian spinach growing very well again, always eaten by the quails. So yeah, really nice. Oh, let's have a look at the back. I have some more fruit trees or shrubs growing. Quite a few eggs lying around. I haven't collected them yet today, so I will go into it very shortly, just after the video. But for now, let's have a look. So yeah, this is oh yeah, and we have one flower on the Malaysian guava. Yes, look at it, how pretty. Wow. Okay, boys and girls, let me through. And here, the black Brazilian cherry which is supposed to be really sweet and delicious. Also lots of new growth. Beautiful, juicy green. Perfect. And one more tree spinach in here as well, showing new growth too. And the grasses that they had are having flowers. I have no idea what grasses they are, but they grow really well here. And the quails love the seeds too. We didn't plant the grasses. They have been here all the time, even before we built the aviary, which is a bonus additional food. And we have some other grasses that are coming back to life. These ones here. So also food for the quails. And the persimmon. The persimmon is also showing new growth. Nice. The first leaves emerge. Beautiful. And I have here one more Brazilian spinach, which is regularly trimmed by the quails. Oh, and look, egg. I really have to be careful not to step on the eggs because they are everywhere. But I think that's about it for the update. So I can take care about the eggs now. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment below. And also let me know what you think about the beautiful spring growth on the fruit trees. Very exciting. Okay guys, take care and I will see you next time, hopefully here on this channel. Bye bye. Eggs everywhere. If you are new to the channel and you live in Australia, just letting you know I'm selling fertile eggs from happy quails. This is only one day harvest. Oh, and here are plenty. It doesn't look really like a nest, even though it is a it is a nest. But no one is interested, I think, in sitting on here. So getting it out. Sometimes when one quail is laying an egg, the other one's going to the same place. Okay, I think that's about it. One day.